Hey everybody, welcome to day number 6 of the 12 Days of IPA. We are halfway through it. And we are on the eve of New Year's Eve.
Yes.
So, exciting times.
Right. So, new beer.
Yeah.
One I've never even heard of before until we bought this pack. Fear Movie Lions. Double IPA.
Seriously, the title of it.
Except I didn't fear Simba. No. So, that was a movie lion. So, I don't know what's going on. So good. So tonight we're going to use the Norwegian.
Our other one.
Which you would have noticed last night's was blue, this one's black. So we have two from the Norwegian cruise
Also
lines.
didn't know that at all. I didn't make sure before. Tom went rifling through a cabinet yesterday, or a cabinet drawer, trying to find to see what we had.
I think we got a few more.
Which one's mine?
This one looks like it has more.
Yeah.
I'll take that one.
Okay.
So, double IPA, we're expecting a punch in the face.
Hazy double IPA.
Oh,
right?
hazy double IPA.
Yes.
So it does look hazy.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like there's a little bit of particulates in there, so it does look like it's unfiltered. It smells citrusy.
Yeah.
It smells citrusy.
It also does smell very hoppy.
It is 60 IBUs.
Yeah.
So let's just go and...
Cheers, let's do this. Not as much as I was expecting. It's actually very smooth.
Very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I was like ready. I was like, my body even kind of tensed up a little bit.
Yeah. We also may just be gotten used to
in 6 days, we've gotten used to
IPAs.
IPAs.
No, I'm not saying 6 days, up to 10 years.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's got a lot of citrus notes in there.
But like when we had day 1 and day 2, I was like, ah.
And our palate's changing.
Yeah.
So let's see what the notes say on this. 8.5% alcohol. Featured hops. Laurel and Mosaic. Which not that I'm familiar with. Fresh squeezed fruit juice, strawberry, blueberry, grapes, and a hint of white sage. That's funny, I just got citrus. I had like a light note of citrus in it.
It does have the sweetness, so I can understand the grapes, because it's sweeter than all the other ones we've had so far. Like the hazy, just the hazy IPA was pretty sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think this is sweeter than just the hazy IPA.
I couldn't tell you.
You don't remember every single beer we've drinking off the top of your head.
No.
How many days of beer have we had now?
Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
We've had 30 days of beer. I just did math in my head really fast, by the way.
Well, today's the 30th.
I was pretty proud of
myself. It's not really math if today's the 30th.
I didn't think about it that way, though. I added 24 and 6 in my head.
Congratulations.
Yeah, this is
I just thought of the calendar, knowing that we started on the 1st.
I didn't think about that at all.
You're like, 30. And I'm like, yeah, today's the 30th. Great.
My math skills are phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal.
Opaque, murky, gold with a fluffy white head. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Juicy and leading to a short, moderately bitter finish. Yeah, that's it there. They're correct. Stone did a good job at writing about their beers. Yeah. It's good beer.
Mm-hmm.
Hadn't had a bad one yet.
No. I'm still laughing. Oh, my mouth skills.
Good.
But yeah, 30 days of beer.
30 days.
I don't know that we've done anything for 30 days, like, straight. Ever.
Breathe.
Well, yeah, like, woken up and, like, lived life. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, something outside of
the norm,
yeah. Hey, guys, we've done this 30 days straight of recording videos. 30 days straight of posting, editing.
Well, we got 5 days left?
Yeah.
6 days left. 6 days left.
6 days left.
6 days left.
Technically, this is like a double, though.
No, we won't talk about that.
Yeah.
Keep them in the dark.
Oh, yeah.
They won't know what we're talking about.
You guys won't know. Okay.
Well, yeah, it's beer.
It's beer.
It's Fear Movie Lions.
Fear Movie Lions. I would love to know where they came up with this name.
I don't know.
Fear Movie Lions.
Hazy double IPA.
Wow.
There it is. Fear Movie Lions.
Sure. I wonder if they were just sitting around one day and being like, "Hey Joe, what do you want to name this?"
I don't know.
He already was too many beers in. And he just said, Fear Movie Lion.
I could just imagine they all went out to go see that movie with, what's his face, about the lion that was killing everybody. Came out a couple years back.
Life of Pi? Is that what you're talking
No.
about? Oh. Okay.
When did this beer come out?
Fear Movie Lions, huh?
2018.
Oh, maybe. Interesting. If you guys remember a while back in our Brewers Advent Calendar, we talked about a comedian named Brian Regan. And if you looked him up, kudos to you. What I'm thinking about right now is when he has a skit that he talks about how they came up with the song I'm the Map from Dora the Explorer.
I'm the map.
I'm the map. So, if you haven't seen Brian Regan, go look up Brian Regan, Dora the Explorer, I'm the Map, or something like that.
Nah, ironing board's better.
Ironing board is better. And then
Brian Regan,
my insides being my outsides is pretty funny. When he has to go to the hospital.
I don't remember that one.
He's like, it kind of feels like my insides are on my outside right now.
You're ruining the jokes for these people that are going to go see Brian Regan.
He's hilarious. It's amazing and wonderful.
Okay.
With that, we're going to cut it though. So you guys have a great night. Thank you for being here for day 6. And we look forward to day 7. So,
Amen. God bless you all.
Yeah. Bye, you guys.
Bye.